The Unisub production jigs are a simple way to set up and print multiple substrates on a single page. Regardless of whether you actually used a true jig or not, the process allows you to easily gain multiple product images for printing purposes. Click on the down arrow to access the product categories. Click on Unisub production jigs. Click Next. Click on the down arrow to see all of the production jigs. Click on a production jig. Click Next. Select a product color if applicable. Click Next. Select your paper size. Click Start Designer. Click on Templates. Click the down arrow. Select a category. And click to select a design. Click Select All. Resize the image to fit in one window of the template. Use the duplicate function to copy and paste the image into each of the template product windows. Click Select All. Click Object. Click Duplicate. Click and drag the duplicated image into the adjacent window. Click Select All. Click Object. Click Duplicate. Click and drag the duplicated images into the lower windows. It should be noted that the Select All tool will capture all of the images on the screen. If you wish to just select individual images, then you need to create a capture box. Click just outside of the image area, then drag diagonally across the image. This will capture all of the elements of a single image. You can then use the duplicate function to copy and paste this single image as needed. If you are using the actual production jig, you are now ready to print. The printed images will line up with the substrates because of the physical layout of the jig. If you wish to print and press without a jig, you will need to create a product reference line for any images that are not full bleed, meaning images that do not stretch from edge to edge of the substrate. Start with a single graphic and add a reference line to it. Click Image, click the down arrow, click Shapes, Rectangles, click on Rectangle 1 by 2 within Outline, rotate the rectangle, click the gray color box, click White, click and drag the rectangle to the image. Change the layering, click on Object, click Move Down. Click Move Down as needed until the original graphic is fully visible. Click and drag to resize the rectangle. The rectangle should be slightly larger than the actual substrate. During production, the reference line will print but not transfer to the substrate. To print out multiple layouts, use the duplicate function. Click Select All, click Object, click Duplicate. Click and drag as needed. Click Select All, click Object, click Duplicate. Click and drag as needed.